Okay, sorry about this. This video is broken into two parts now. So there are 14 sheep in a herd, 5 sheep run away. How many sheep are left in a herd? So what I was saying was we had 14 sheep here. 5 sheep ran away. Okay, so I'm going to take away 4 so I can get to this 10, and then I'm going to take away 1 more because remember, I'm really subtracting 5 sheep. So I had 14 and I took away 5. And how many am I left with? I'm left with 9 because I know that 10 minus this 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, and I know that. So 14 minus the 5 is going to be 9, and they're left with 9 sheep in the herd. Let's look at our multiple choice. Choose the correct answer. Joey and Liz drew pictures of 15 items in their backyard. Joey drew 7 of those pictures. Liz drew the rest. How many pictures did Liz draw? So here is how we could solve this problem. I'm going to do 2 10 frames. Just like this. And I'm going to show those items in the backyard that Joey and Liz drew. So there's 15 of them, okay? I know that Joey drew 7. So Joey drew this one, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The rest is what Liz drew. So how many did Liz draw? She drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She drew 8 of them. So I would answer it with this one. All right. Joey has 17 rocks. He loses some. And now Joey has 8 rocks. How many rocks did he lose? So here's how I would solve this. So I would draw my 10 frames out. I'd draw my 10 frames out, just like this. I know he has 17. He has 17 rocks. So there's 5, 6, 7. So there's Joey's 17 rocks. 17 rocks. He loses them. It doesn't tell us how many. It just tells us he loses some. But that he's left with 8 rocks. And it's asking how many did he lose? It wants us to find this piece of information. All right. So I know that Joey has 8 rocks left. So I'm going to mark off the 8 rocks that are left. So actually, let's just color them in blue. So I'm going to color in the 8 rocks that Joey still has, that he hasn't lost yet. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the ones he still has. The ones that are not colored in is what he lost. So we can count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He lost 9 of them. He had 17. He lost 9 of them and is left with 8. Liz picked up 13 leaves in the backyard. 5 leaves blew away. How many leaves does Liz have now? So I can draw a 10 frame, 2 10 frames. Here's it's kind of a silly looking 10 frame. And I can draw those 13 leaves. I know that's a 10 and 3 ones. And 5 of them blew away. So I can subtract these 3 to get 10 and then 2 more to make 5. What am I left with? Well, I know that 10 minus those 2 is 8. She's left with 8 leaves. Which way shows how to make a 10 to solve 15 minus 6? All right, so look at my step 1. I have 15. I took away 5. So I had 15. I took away 5 to make my 10. But remember, I'm subtracting 6, so I had to take away 1 more. And that leaves me with 9. So I did 15. I subtracted 5, and then I subtracted 1 more to give me my answer. So this one is the correct answer. you are going to do this yellow homework page and this yellow homework page, and you are going to attach it to your Google Classroom assignment, and you will be done with math for the day.